You see that guy that emailed us?
Saw some email, yeah. I didn't get a chance to fully read it.
You should go read it. It's pretty funny. Can I have 3%?
Yeah, sure, Bucko. Why not?
Uh, Gonna send that link out.
Yeah.
For sure.
Gotta leave early today.
Gotcha.
I leave at 7, so I'll need to get up and get going. Like 6:30.
All good.
pray and we can go ahead and talk about it. Dear God, thank you for this day, Lord. Thank you for all you blessed us with, Lord. Thank you for just your grace, Lord, your compassion you show to us. Lord, give us wisdom as we look at the charts this morning, Lord, and have us just honor you with our trading. We love you. In Jesus' name, amen.
Okay. So gold here. We're just rallying up still. Starting to get a little bit of a pullback, but the daily and the 4-hour are still very bullish. The previous 4-hour did close weak. So it'll be interesting to see what we do. This could be the top wick to come back down, or can continue up and fill this wick. But the hourly just closed up with little to no top wick. So we'll see what this new hour candle wants to do. 30-minute, same thing, close up above, just left us no range really. But we did get a nice pullback, so we do have room coming up into 52.96 here, which is nice. Same thing with the 15. And then go over to NQ. NQ's pushing up. Daily doesn't have a bottom wick. 4-hour previous close up nice and bullish, making a bottom wick. So the 4-hour and daily are going a bit against each other, but 4 hours mainly what we look at here. So yeah, 4 hours coming back out. Hourly doesn't have a bottom wick, the new one. Neither does the 30 or the 15. So we'll just have to sit back and wait for NQ to get out of this range.
Bullish as bullish gets
Yeah.
on gold.
Be right back.
How many more days till you can work out?
The second, so 4.
Second. Great.
Yeah,
You look
almost
at any
there.
more gyms that have all those amenities here in Fayetteville?
What'd you say before that? Sorry.
I said you look at any more gyms that have all those amenities? Because
Forum
I feel like there's got to
was,
be some specialty gyms, even up in like maybe Benville may have some.
yeah. Um, I know Cade goes to J Street. He loves it. But Forum has a bunch of good stuff for the most part, just better equipment, and it's right across the street. So I'll probably end up doing that at some point. But I don't mind crunch at all.
AJ loves him some crunch, that's for sure.
Yeah, crunch is nice.
Yeah. Is it still always super packed?
I've always gone around like 10:30, 11 after trading, so it's never terrible. But yeah, I mean, if you go peak times, it's brutal. But just for I don't know, it's nice when you because there's times where I don't go for a month just because I'm either out of town or this or working out from home or whatever it may be. So just only $20 a month is
Oh,
not.
it's 20 now?
Yeah, it's like 15 to 20, I think.
Man, I thought it was 10, or did you add something?
I don't know. It's just slowly gone up.
They really in. Have you tried J Street, Brett? Or you just an avid forum member?
Forum is nice. And my boy Luke
Yep.
runs it.
I've never been to J Street, but
I don't either. Kid loves it.
yeah, I liked Resistance. I mainly just because no one, or like I say no one was there. Like during the times I would go, like I would see my regular 2 to 3 people,
Mm-hmm.
and I would be
Yeah.
like,
And
"Yep,
it being outdoors too, like opening up the garage in the summer was cool.
yep." You just had to get there earlier in the summer,
Yeah, it'd be
or else
too.
you were, because if you went after work at like 5, brutal.
Yeah. After landscaping all day.
Yeah,
Forget you did that.
dude, I love a good side quest.
You do.
I say, hey, you ever operated a skid? Psh, buddy, get me behind.
I'll figure it out.
Let, yep. No, because my dad had one,
Oh,
has
nice.
one, so I've done that before. So anytime, oh, so much fun. Love running the equipment, moving dirt. So y'all's house really is divided. Because where does Xander go? Does Xander go to Crunch?
He didn't go anywhere.
He doesn't go anywhere?
I does at home Pilates and ab workouts. His skinny little
What?
workouts. That's what I like to call them.
It's at home Pilates and abs.
He's got it down, man.
Like it. Yeah, I was like, y'all got the pull-up bar in there and everything.
Yeah. He's got weights and he's got an ab roller, jump rope. It's really all you need, dude, is pull up bar and a couple 35-pound dumbbells.
Yeah.
Just
If
don't
you're
get
not.
the atmosphere, man.
Yep, I agree. Really?
Hey, unbroken pull-ups. Hey, they just full of shit.
Uh, who can do the most out of y'all?
Me, duh. We tested that the other day. Struggling at TBB, yeah, it's a lot. Maybe right now. Actually, right now we gotta test this out February 2nd because AJ's been nice enough to not work out at all the whole entire month
With you?
with me. Yeah, that's been his excuse.
Hurt myself.
I hurt myself. Yeah, his shoulder.
Did he actually?
He pinched it. I don't. Yeah, he jacked it up, but like that doesn't mean you can't go hit some squats and chet or something, Bubba. Still figure it out.
Did you heard it in rugby?
Probably. AJ just loves to find a way to nuke himself. Yeah, he's still built the snowman.
Still can build a snowman, yep. I don't know, you seem pretty active in some of the videos I saw of you on Dixon there.
I don't know. He's been active in other ways for sure. Taking advantage of the snow days. No, I was lifting with Chris. Chris forced him to do a muscle up.
He forced me to. He's probably more like, bro, just try it. The trainer? Oh, fuck. I didn't know the new school had a trainer.
Yeah, man, they're pretty established.
He's a star. Bro, TNS. That's crazy. You abbreviate the new school with TNS. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I don't get how careful hand typing need a rest day trading workout.
Do what?
AJ, dude,
I'm cramping in my hand type.
hashtag day trading. No, he just decides whenever he like 1 week I won't even hear about rugby, and then the next it's just all or nothing. Like he just kind of picks and chooses whenever he wants to be a rugby player or not, depending on the weather.
All in. Yeah. I still can't believe you did rugby.
He,
That's
he's putting together a highlight reel for us, so
really.
yeah, we're waiting on that.
Yeah, I want to see that for sure. Bro, I would have loved to see Xander and Jay make a snowman out in y'all's front yard. That was actually a pretty big snowman.
No,
We'll give it to y'all.
it's a nice one.
That was a big snowman, but
Boys,
there you go.
after open it if you dare.
I opened it.
No, if I click on that, it'll blow up my entire shared screen. I don't want that. I can't give you that much spotlight, dude. Come on.
Uh, oh my gosh.
I will if you make a true highlight reel. I'll
I'll
toss it on
watch
the
it.
big screen. We'll watch it.
That is a big crowd.
Where is that?
It,
Is that in Lawrence? Of course, man.
oh my goodness. Yeah, and I'm really analyzing this photo here. I'm confused which direction you're going. Should have just ran right over him.
Towards gold.
How many people did show up to the rugby matches? Was there a lot of people there? Because like surprisingly soccer at Arkansas
Arkansas
got a lot of
scholarship.
people. Like, oh no, it was always. Oh, is this the fans? Or is this just you running? Just
AJ running for his life.
like 12, tell 12 to kicking in another gear. Is that 72? Oh, Bubba,
It's the
he's
longest I've seen your hair in a minute.
yeah, just be scared. Yeah, you did it. I forgot you had some long hair. Popping out with the leg tat. Okay.
His rugby buddy came over the other day and he was like, AJ's actually he's solid, just has half the time has no clue what the rules are.
That is awesome. I mean,
He,
I can't even say I'm shocked.
well, I mean, I wouldn't know what the rules would be if I just
I
pretty
know,
much
yeah,
joined
where
the
it's
team, hadn't even touched a rugby ball, and started playing a week later.
AJ's just like, just give me the ball and let me run.
But yeah, pretty much it.
Yeah. I can't believe Cade didn't join. Cade, you should have joined with him.
Bro.
Oh
Bro.
my gosh. Dude,
What?
that is high school. That is crazy. And off
Hey.
and off the X's screenshot.
Ooh.
Oh my
I didn't know
gosh.
he had that one up his sleeve. That's dude.
But yeah,
Are you
that
holding on to
sure
her
is
finger?
terrible.
What is that?
I have no clue. That's
Oh,
Jesus.
Dyson. Such a young, innocent little guy
Young innocent boy. That
with
is
the
crazy.
with the flow.
But I don't know if that's a flow. That is just some hair.
You're so.
AJ must be
Oh, dude,
deep
I
in,
could hear him cackling in his room. Uh, I was
deep
wondering
in.
why he went mute there for what it felt like forever, 2 minutes.
Oh my goodness. Laying in bed, rubbing my feet and laughing. Someone woke up extra bored today.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That is too funny. Maybe. I should. Let's see if we get a young Baldwin in here.
Oh no.
See if I can find a young Baldwin.
This is scary. You know,
Let's
AJ's
see.
probably looking for one.
For my camera roll is actually just like just screenshots of like random code numbers or information. Like I
There it is.
Fray traders.
That's actually crazy that all all of us are in this right now.
Yeah.
Sander, AJ Cade saying. Well, we had the neon Nike Elites going.
Yeah. Jay and Zane got some tight shorts on, my boy.
It's a track look, man.
Boy, that's women's track.
Yeah, I was just thinking the same thing, Xander. You look like a giant compared to us, dude.
Said Rick's boy. Rick's son.
That boy look like Rick's son in that one.
Oh. Yeah, Xander does look huge.
Yeah. Been the same height ever since.
I could be interested here. Above?
Mm-hmm. Mm. Free to close your buff here. Tape buys coming up. We'll see if we get it.
Hmm. Dang. FOMC's today.
Is it?
Yeah, not till 1 o'clock, though.
Close below there, so we'll have to wait for another closure. We'll get a coffee.
That's what I just started on mine. Dang, AJ, I found you whenever I searched you up. Yes, Americans. Yeah, AJ Moss.
Check it out.
Dude, for some reason, all your Instagram posts are on uh the images.
Really?
Yeah, Declan's
There's a
out there.
there's a film producer named Declan Baldwin.
Really?
Uh-huh. I didn't know that. It's kind of wild.
Wounded Wolverines wallop war eagles. And this is the photo under it. Oh my gosh.
Looking like a bean.
Confused. Dude, I wish it
A
had
straight nose.
I wish it had where is that? Because didn't you do some interview?
You could tell he's trying not to crack up. Going damn near cross-eyed. Uh,
Because there is a maybe there's an
you kind of look lazy-eyed in that. That camera's so close. Your right
look like
eyes,
a
your right
rewrite.
eyes focused in on it. Look, you do look.
Gosh.
CTE, man.
Yeah, actually. Huh, I was trying to dang, that doesn't take me to the interview. About this sucker. Most wanted list. I was like, I would try to look up Hudson, but buddy, I don't even have a prayer of typing in the last name correctly.
Uh, I can't even say their last name right. I think it's Ross Schaefer. Pretty sure.
Roch
See if I
Raw.
can
All
do.
right. Let me try to. All right,
It's R
Declan,
O
type it
T
out how
T
you think it would be in the chat.
ROTTS. Let me type it in the chat.
This is what I'm thinking.
Yeah, nice try. Rosher? I got it right.
Dang. I put the H. I need the agency. Yeah, I was missing the back half.
Oh, yeah. No, like you only got the first four right.
Brutal.
I'm gonna read this tweet off to you guys. If it doesn't get you fired up about BTC,
All right, let's hear
I
it.
don't know what will. Let me clear my throat. Allergies. Special. Siren emoji. Yield emoji. That's what you need now. All caps. Trump will let the dollar crash. Here's why. Gold exploding to 5,250. Silver breaking through 115. DXY collapsing back to February 2022 levels. And Bitcoin sleeping at 89K. This is not a coincidence. This is the setup of your lifetime. What happened so far? DXY crashes to 95.82, lowest level since February 2022, down 10.8% year over yield. Gold at 5,250, all-time high. It's plus 65% in 12 months, biggest run since 1979. Silver at 115, all-time high, up 147% in 2025, parabolic move. BTC at 88,795, only up 5%, 0.5% in 24 hours, down 0.7% in 7 days. Strategy, which is the biggest, um,
Order a Bitcoin.
yeah, Bitcoin reserve. What am I thinking? Reserve. What are they called? Dude, I'm blanking.
Bitcoin reserve. Like, is that what you're
Reserve company or Bitcoin?
a Bitcoin backed
There's
company?
a name for them. I don't know what. I'm blanking. Anyways, strategy buys 2,932 Bitcoin for 264.1 million. Now holding 712,647 BTC in treasury. Bitcoin treasury company. That's what I was going for. Fed decision today. Rates unchanged but Powell under pressure. BlackRock filed Bitcoin Premium Income ETF. Next phase of institutional adoption. If you guys didn't know, BlackRock is the biggest company in the world. They own the most. They pretty much control everything. Um, Trump family increases BTC position to 5,843 Bitcoin. The last two times DXY fell below 96 was in 2017, and Bitcoin ran from $2,000 to $20,000 in 6 months. And the second time that happened was in 2020. Bitcoin ran from 10,000 to 64,000 in 9 months. The DXY is now 95.82, right under that 96 threshold. Um, Trump said yesterday the dollar is doing great. The dollar immediately dropped another 1%. This is not a mistake. This is a signal the U.S. government wants a weak dollar. Why? Weak dollar equals cheaper U.S. exports, equals more jobs. Debt 38.5 trillion gets inflated away. Central banks worldwide are rotating out of dollar assets. The result, the biggest fight in the hard assets in decades. Gold and silver have gained over 20 trillion in market cap in just 12 months, and Bitcoin is still waiting for its moment. Here's the thing: gold and silver are outperforming Bitcoin year to date. Um, but Tom Lee puts it perfectly. Gold and silver are sucking the oxygen out of everything else. Once they pause, Bitcoin and Ethereum will explode afterwards. Historically, the BTC silver ratio bottoms typically 13 months after the peak with the 75. Dang, this is a much longer tweet than I thought. Oh my
Watch
gosh.
this Mark Moss video for those of you that are like about crashing the dollar. Like Trump's
Yeah,
guy, financial person.
new
Oh, I
venture.
forget all the different stuff, but he like it essentially is like there's a and I forget what they call it, the thing to weaken the dollar, and like there's a special way to go about it, and Trump hired him and he wrote a book on it, and so it's like, yeah, he's doing it on purpose. So which is good for assets, but that's a good video if you're interested. This was from 8 months ago too, so I remember seeing that I was like, what?
Yeah. No, Mark Moss, he does a good job of does a really good job of the buy borrow die as well with Bitcoin. And when that clicks, you're like, dude, why am I not throwing all the money I have into Bitcoin? But
Yeah.
that's just me. You guys use your Roth IRA and your 401ks.
If if 401ks. What do you mean, man? I'll be a millionaire when I retire. By then, though,
Not if the dollar
the
catches up.
price of a apple will be $30.
Yeah, your purchasing power. It's
Do
crazy.
what?
Like in 2025, I'm interested to see the change in. Let's look. Let's get on chat. We do have a closure. Let's see. Is there anything
Oh,
negatives?
negative news.
Hmm. So from 2015 to 2025, according to inflation data and purchasing power calculations, $1 in 2015 would need about $1.36 in 2025 to buy the same amount of goods and services. That implies a roughly 26% decline in dollars purchasing power over the last decade. 26%. So like, you put your money into a that seems low. Yeah, it probably is. But it
Sure.
just for me, it's like if you try to put your money into a savings account or a retirement account and you can't pull until you're like 50 or 60 or whatever, and by the time you're able to do that, you're already fighting inflation and you get taxed as soon as you pull it out.
Even if you,
So
yeah.
I don't know. I
And
just
even
think,
if you don't, you're getting taxed now on it.
yeah,
No.
if it's a non-taxable or whatever, those are.
The government will get theirs, trust me. So they either tax it when it goes in or when it comes out. But
Over a longer time frame since 1913, the dollar has lost roughly 97% of its purchasing power overall. To give you guys kind of an example of why we wait for closures above our ranges. I mean, this is one right here. Like a lot of people,
Probably got tapped in.
there was a tweet yesterday I read. It was like, um, let me go find it.
I'll grab my coffee while you do it.
But it was just talking about making small exceptions and how that holds you back in the long run when you're trading, because those small exceptions can be detrimental. It just completely ruins your data and you have nothing to fall back on when you do. Hey,
Did you find the tweet?
no, one more. The dude, he responded that's kind of cool.
Who?
He has a podcast that I've just listened to for a while, just trading. It's called Words of Wisdom, which is pretty gay, but oh, his name's Riz. There's nothing he can do about it. He probably had this podcast before Riz became a cool thing.
Cool thing.
But yeah, he has a podcast where he has a bunch of just well-known traders come on. He said profitability is rarely blocked by strategy; it's blocked by inconsistency. Most traders already have an edge. Rules are clear. What breaks is execution, not once but over time. Small skips, small exceptions, small emotional choices. Each one feels harmless, but together they change results. Consistency improves when behavior stays boring. Rules don't change with mood. The process does not change after wins. Process comes from doing the same thing again and again without negotiating with yourself. Where do you usually slip on consistency? And it's so true. Like if you have to negotiate with yourself to get into a trade, don't take it. If you
And
have to
yeah,
make a
we were
small
literally talking.
exception, don't take it. And so right here, a lot of people, I promise you, would have made a small exception. They had their level set right here. And they were like, it didn't close quite above, but it closed bullish enough for us to get into buys. We're so bullish on gold. Like, let's keep taking this. Let's keep riding this up. They get tapped in right here on the break of the highs and just get liquidated. Gold melts off the face of the earth. So that's just an example of why you just follow your rules and why we wait for closures above. And if we don't get it, even if it is right there and it's super close to closing above, you don't make those small exceptions. But yeah, he replied. He said, agreed. Exceptions are where discipline quietly breaks.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty cool. This dude's got 90K followers.
Hey. Yeah, because people are looking left like, bro, there's hardly any red candles. Like, I'm just gonna buy here and gold's gonna go up.
Right.
Yeah, that is fun looking at these candles from yesterday. Like, if you zoom out some, just even on the 15-minute, being like, yep, that's some great price action.
Oh, no.
Like, hours on end. 12 hours of just gold nonstop running.
I'll show you guys.
Yep.
But yeah, this guy, if y'all ever want like a good podcast to listen to, he's really got some good stuff. Uh, yeah, he's legit. He used to. I don't need my counter with this. There we go. When I worked at Stonebridge, I'd just ride around in the golf cart, kill time, and listen to those podcasts.
Really?
Yeah, just nonstop. Acting like I was working.
Yeah, I'm out here working hard.
Just making sure the golfers weren't acting up.
Yeah. You working at Stonebridge was so nice.
It was.
It was like, oh yeah, let's go out there and play nine real quick.
Yeah,
But we only got like 7 holes in. Oh well, it was
yeah,
free.
that was.
But
I hadn't been in a while. I need to go back.
to Stonebridge or to golf?
Both, but just a Stonebridge. It's just kind of pricey right now. It's a worth $70 to play when the weather's nice and it's in good shape, but not like close to winter time.
Yeah.
Um, but it was awesome working there. I'd be trading in the break room
During Asian.
as carts were coming in. Yeah, there's a couple times where I got into a trade while carts were coming in, and I'd have to leave and just hope for the best while I'm spraying the carts down.
Be like, I hope stops don't get too big
Yeah,
here. I'm
please.
leaving the buy stop.
I'm like looking through the window, just like, see, oh, we're good.
It's too
Hadn't
funny.
gotten stopped out yet.
Have you gotten any other than that, any other replies on your Twitter? On Twitter?
Not really. That was kind of the first one. I just been throwing lobs.
Love it.
I mean, there's been a couple, likes or response, but no response from someone that big.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Mhm. Mm,
Very contradicting.
very. You got a care package on the 15, but so this is when it's like, okay, yes, technically this is a care package, but do the higher time frames correlate? They're all over the place. Like you got the 4 hour coming back up, but the hour is about to close very bearish, as well as the 30. So this is when it gets tricky because yeah, sure, this is a 15-minute care package. But do I want to take this? No, because you have to have the higher time frames correlating with it. So it'd be dumb to take buys right here on the break of the highs because all that could be is the top wick on this next hour candle to come down and fill the wick here and continue to the downside. So there's there's nothing we can do with this on the 15. So
It is truly all over the place.
mhm. And we're also coming right up into this level on the 15 as well. Um, you know, previous supports will become new resistance, and this could very well tap into this level and continue down. So we're just in a tough spot.
Up over to NQ maybe. How you doing?
Gross.
So switching. What happened? Yeah.
Back.
Mhm.
Dang. $36 holes? You playing 36 in a day, or is that over the weekend? Oh, just for Thursday. Oh my gosh. That's insane. Red and blue. Okay, that was my next question. How come not gold? 7,300. I'll pick in the easy ones. A par 70 for the blue course. View scorecard. Let's see what this is. Dang. How come you're going down there? Going out there to Arizona.
Waste management, bro.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. That looks like such a nice course. Those are such nice courses.
Yeah, I love that right there.
Yeah.
Rip. Doesn't look anything like Bella Vista. Yeah, I bet it's stupid expensive right now, especially for that week. Yeah, he definitely needs to take advantage of that. Sweet. So you get 2 free tickets for every of open. What? Yeah. This is what I'm looking for on gold. It's for the price to close like that. And then a closure above this level. Take buys coming up. Or continuation off this 15. I was just saying this right here would be good.
Yeah, that looks great. Ooh. Off the 30.
Yeah. Yep.
I was really wanting the 30 to close up.
For sure. Be coming into 8:30.
Dang. Yeah, I'll have to check that out, Jacob.
Yeah, it's sweet.
What is it? Military tickets. Yeah, just because I don't want it to dance around here since it still didn't necessarily close above.
Oh, I'm saying, yeah, obviously, we wait for the.
The 30 to close just for
Yeah.
stronger confirmation.
No, that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Is this candle close up above, which would be the 30 close above.
With the 15 looking like a care package. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I agree. I was kind of just talking, my bad.
Gotcha. I
It's just
thought
like, yeah,
you thought I was saying
thought
taking on the
that.
break of these highs off this current candle.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I would have been like, yeah, I'm unfortunately gonna sit this one out. But
Pull a
I'm like, best of luck to you, brother.
Pull it, Johnny.
Yeah.
Sit this one out, and then when we get into the trade,
As
be
soon as you go into drawing,
pessimistic
oh
about
man,
it.
oh, yeah, I'm
I
not in
told
this,
you
guys.
guys.
I'm not in this one.
Dude, that happened.
Just to let you guys know, in case you guys were wondering, I'm not in this.
This is exactly why I didn't get in it.
Yeah.
I
The
think
30
everything,
just did.
every other thing Nick says, dude, you're right there. I get it. Older
And
brother.
meanwhile, yeah. Meanwhile, Nick's just like, yeah, it still looks good. Just
Yeah.
something yep, we'll see.
Mm-hmm.
And then he'll go on then he's speaking motivational speeches as
Yeah.
I'm in seeing $1,000 of drawdown. I'm like, can you tell that to gold here to go up? You want to give your motivation to gold, please?
The arrow strat, whenever we be in drawdown.
Dude, the first time he did that, it was actually hilarious.
Yeah.
Like, it would be kind of funny because it would just be a long trade.
Some comedic relief.
Yes, as you are seeing.
I didn't think it was funny because I wasn't drunk. Like,
No, I thought I was like, all right, I
no, no.
probably
After
need
the
this
fact, it's hilarious. But when he's like, all right, let's pull up the arrow strat.
because I'm gonna need some purple arrows, and I'm like, like, "Ah!"
Yeah.
But
Tweaking.
yeah, it was.
Yeah, he would do this
Looking
right
back on
here.
it, was good
He would
too.
like, if we're in drawdown, he would start drawing just a bunch of arrows to get price to push back up.
To get price to push it, yeah. It was just comedic relief, essentially, is what it was.
Or I mean, every time we get into like a trade, the whole chat would just go silent, and he'd be like, "Dude,
Yeah,
y'all are chill out. Y'all are
y'all are
quick."
quaking.
Yeah,
It's like, yes, Nick, I am quaking because
you're right. I'm in college, and I just spent my last $50 on this combine, homie. I'm quaking, dude.
and I'm at 27 pips. I've full ported this combine. I'm at negative 27 pips. If we go 3 more pips, there goes another 50. Or heaven forbid, I copy traded all 5 and was like, dude, let's do this.
We
Like,
did make that mistake one time, sadly.
yeah, that was fun.
Hey, dude, learn from it.
There's 250.
Yeah,
Gone.
evaporated. I wouldn't say that, Brett. We actually might. If this closes above here, buys look good.
What's brutal?
He said this is brutal. I was like, actually, this looks pretty good if we get closure above here. He said, oh, sweet then.
Oh my gosh, I love it. He probably was, Jay.
Looking at my face, yeah, I know. AJ's still in bed.
He's probably in his big old comfy
Wrong. Yeah, well, he just hear me say this looks good and hop right out of bed. He's loading up his computer right now. I'm in my place to slumber. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have your AirPod in, or are you just listening to it through the speaker?
I
Or
promise you, he's curled up. He's got his phone right here. He's sitting there with his bonnet on, just half
yeah.
awake.
Yep. He's got us pulled to the side when you're
Mm-hmm.
on Zoom on your phone,
Yeah.
barely able to hear us, and
Just doom
just scrolling
scrolling.
on Instagram Reels.
Yeah.
There's there's no doubt about it.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't tell if Hudson's in class or not.
Yeah, he definitely is. How did y'all know?
It's almost like we live together or something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. What? Really? Dude, that's insane. I still want to know what Buddy did. That's, I mean, it got way too aggressive for no reason. You know, her and her roommates have been playing in that for like all day waiting for that to happen. Like, oh. Is Gold gonna come on up here
Get
and
it.
close?
Last 30 seconds.
It's known for it here.
Mm-hmm. Wrong way.
Yo, Goldie, this way. Last 10 seconds?
Oh my gosh, that couldn't have gone any worse. Dude, like that. Uh,
Oh my gosh. No, it really couldn't have. That's hilarious.
dude, this is it's getting out of hand, man.
Jay, that's also bad that I knew exactly what you were talking about based on that very broad and non-descriptive sentence. Like, oh my gosh. Well, I need to start getting ready, so I'll still be on, but
No worries.
I should be able to sit if I get done. That's what I was trying to do is make some breakfast just to take to go, but
Yeah,
I'll be around till
all
7.
good. There's a possibility for some moves between now and 9.
Yeah,
So, and I'll stay out. We've got volume, so
a
we'll stay
lot
on
of
from
it.
9, 9:30, 10. So, see if Incurable wants to give us something.
How much in
Give us
2
something.
minutes? 130 pips. Sheesh. It's fun.
Hey, can you send me that code real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah. How does this Zelle thing work? Like, does it just know my bank account from my phone number?